There are times that you will want to enter the object snap instead of using this automatic object snap function. So right now, let's say in here, I have center, I have tangents on the minimum, only 4, the endpoint, midpoint. So only these 4 on. So if I create a line and I move the cursor close to here, it will ask me, it will point me to the center points. Okay, what if I want just to the tangent of this line instead of the center point of this line? So if I want to do that, I will have to deactivate the center, and now I can click on the tangent in here. So if I draw a line, the starting point will be tangent to the circle. But now let me finish this command by starting in this point, and then I can draw a lines. So in this case, I want to draw a line that is 2 inch, maybe 2 or 3 inch up this way at a 45 degrees, something like this. So I will have to enter as a second point of the line using at 2 at an angle of 45. Enter. So this will be 2-inch line. That's at an angle of 45 degree. Now let me draw another line. Now this time I am going to include this. So I want to repeat this line maybe 2 inch and downwards. So if I want to draw a line, enter. And now I won't be able to select this line. Every time I click, it will click into the center point. And for this, I will have to enter TAN, tangent. And then I can select this line, this arc, click, and then at 2 inch at an angle negative 45. So I can create it that way. So this is why sometimes entering the object snap is also very useful when there is a conflict in here.